We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the new 7 by 16 by 3 foot gooseneck dump trailer from Gorilla. This has the I-beam with your coupler and safety chains with the breakaway system. Has your heavy duty jack. This does have a hydraulic box. As well as the remote control. This does have a single telescopic cylinder. It's going to be giving you extreme dumping heights. Here we have where you can install a tarp kit. There are stake pockets along the side of the trailer. Here we have your two 7,000-pound Greaseable axles with 16-inch wheels and tires. Has your black diamond plate Jeep fenders. Your LED drive lights. This does have the 3-way door, as well as slide out ramps underneath the trailer. On the passenger side here, we do have your spare tire mount. Once again, this is going to be the 7 by 16 by 3 foot telescopic dump trailer with the gooseneck. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.